Welcome to another Sunglow Kitchen episode. Today we are going to be making bulgogi and...
No, say bulgogi. No, bulgogi. Bulgogi. Bulgogi.
Now I have to start gi. Today we are going to be making bulgogi.
Bulgogi.
Bulgogi. I'm hungry. Bulgogi.
But it's a funny part.
Today you have song because I'm getting irritated. Done.
Yeah, let's do it.
You're gonna have an actual chef now and I'll be behind the camera. It's how it should be, okay? Follow his recipe. I'm going. I'm done. I'm hungry. I'm tired. First, soy sauce. Are you gonna tell him you're adding sugar?
This is sugar.
No, not me, the camera.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I forgot that I have camera. Sorry, my first day of being the frame. It was not on the plan, but suddenly there's a one lady, which is our host. She canceled the plan. Okay, I just added sugar. This is IDH, actually in Korea. It's called 배, but it looks like IDH. So that's why people in Australia, Korean people in Australia, they call it IDH, but it's 배.
You should speak louder, otherwise the mic won't hear it very
배! Okay, I'm just gonna add it. I'm gonna put salt, salt flakes, sesame oil.
Talk to them.
Sesame oil. Yeah.
I like only like, oh my god, that is so bad.
No, it's not vinegar.
I have recently been working on our website, so if you do want the recipe for today's episode, then please have a look at the link below and you can have a look there and try it yourself. And if you do, please do hashtag Sunglow Kitchen so we can have a look at it.
Taste it. Good?
Woo! Chef! Why am I behind the camera? No, in front.
What?
You should be in front more.
You have to pay me more well.
What the hell? I'm doing everything for free. You're such a chef. You've already got a towel in your apron.
Yeah. I used to be chef.
You should be sure.
Wow, my hands are freezing. Oh my god.
It's just like being in the snow in Korea.
You need to do it more. Oh my god. Oh.
We finished marinating the beef. We are now going to be preparing some of the vegetables. One of those is spring onion. Are you already crying?
Huh?
Are you already crying?
Yeah,
From
spicy.
spring onion?
It's spicy. I'm spicy. I feel like I will cry soon.
You already are crying.
Now I'm gonna chop garlic. It's so sad now. Sorry, garlic. Can you put it a little bit lower? Maybe you should just come. Why are you pouring? Just please give me tissue. Right now.
I can't see.
Just give me. Don't laugh.
I can't see. I can't.
I'm hungry.
Me too. What would you like to see us cook next? Any suggestions? Comment and let us know.
You gonna film this or no?
Ah! Oh no, I filmed upside down. Yeah. Let us know in the comments what you'd like us to cook. Chef or me? Get him in the kitchen more. He knows how to cook.
Now I'm gonna slice onions.
Now he's really gonna cry.
Sad. Oh my god. Oh. Why so sad today? I'm sad.
Oh no, what's wrong?
Oh, everything's wrong. Ah! Sorry! Ah!
Oh my god, you only just started cutting them. Honestly, you and onion. I'm all alone. I ain't got anyone else. I'm a capsicum by myself. I'm a capsicum by myself. I have no friends. I'm just a capsicum.
Now I'm slicing the onions, sorry.
Oh, I missed it.
Putting all the vegetable first. Now I'm gonna add beef.
Stop looking at me. Look at the camera.
Now I'm gonna add beef. Ah shit, I need to use hands. It is too heavy.
Step 1, make sure you have a big enough pot to cook it all in. Let's eat it together. Bulgogi? Like, comment, subscribe. Website's down below and you can get recipes.
Please!
Bye! Like, comment, subscribe. Watch our other recipe videos, our other cooking videos. Watch our videos. And go to the website because I worked really hard on it for a very long time. Not really, like a week. But I worked long hours, trying very hard. So go look at the recipes. If you make it, hashtag Songlu's Kitchen. Did you see all the food in my mouth? Because I hadn't finished swallowing my food. Okay, bye!